Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the secondary batteries. Secondary batteries are those batteries which can be recharged again and can be reused. And the very important example of secondary battery is inverters that are present at our homes. So this question is very important for CBSE as well as other state examination. And today we are going to discuss about lead storage battery. It is quite clear from the diagram that it has an electrolyte as dilute sulfuric acid, whereas anode is made up of lead plates or lead grids filled with spongy lead, whereas cathode is made up of lead grids filled with lead dioxide. Now what is anode? Anode is positive electrode and negative pole, whereas cathode is negative electrode and positive pole. Now the temptation is very important. How will you attempt this question? Firstly, you will write the use. It is used in automobiles and inverters. Second is what is its cell voltage? It has 12 voltage. Anode. Anode is made up of grid of lead filled with finely divided spongy lead. We have already discussed it, that it is made up of lead grids filled with spongy lead. And cathode is made up of grid of lead packed with lead dioxide. And electrolyte is dilute sulfuric acid and it has 38% ratio. Now when the battery is in use, suppose you are using your phone, that means your phone is discharging, right? So similarly, if there is no light and your inverter is in use, that means your inverter is discharging. Now anode is made up of lead. Anode is made up of lead. Lead means PB. It will react with sulfate. Sulfate will come from electrolyte. The electrolyte is sulfuric acid and the reaction will be PbSO4, and these two electrons will be lost because at anode there will be oxidation. Oxidation is loss of electrons. Now what is cathode? What is the reaction at cathode? Cathode is made up of lead dioxide. It will also react with sulfate, moreover with hydrogen as well as with electrons, and there will be formation of PbSO4 plus 2 water. Now you just simply have to add the equations Pb plus PbO2. 4H positive, how many sulfate will be there? 2 sulfate. 2 electrons and 2 electrons will be cancelled out. PbSO4 will be twice in number and 2 water will be formed. So this is the net reaction. But make sure you have to be very careful with the question. If the question says the battery is not in use, that means battery is in charging, then the reaction will be reversed. The reaction taking place at anode will be at cathode and the reaction taking place at cathode will be at anode. So you just have to switch the reaction. You have to reverse the reactions. I hope the topic is quite clear. Make sure this topic is very important. All the best. Do good and do well.